In this video, we will go over the assembly steps for the ProForm C22 and other similar models. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing material. Do not dispose of the packing material until the assembly is complete. Orient the front stabilizer as shown and attach it to the frame with two M10 by 25mm screws. Then, attach the rear stabilizer to the frame with two more M10 by 25mm screws. Next, locate the adjustment handle on the rear of the frame. Pull the adjustment handle outwards and insert the saddle post into the frame. Move the saddle post to the desired position, then release the adjustment handle into the adjustment holes. Tighten the adjustment handle 4 turns and make sure the adjustment handle is firmly engaged into the adjustment hole. Pull the handle outwards so it does not loosen the handle and face it downwards as shown. Orient the left and right weight rests and attach them to the saddle carriage with two M6 by 12mm screws. Identify the right pedal, and using the included wrench, firmly tighten the right pedal clockwise into the crank arm. Then, tighten the left pedal counterclockwise into the left crank arm. You can attach your own pedals if you desire as well. With a second person, hold the handlebar near the frame. Locate the wire tie in the frame and tie it to the handlebar wire. Pull the adjustment handle outwards on the front of the frame and insert the handlebar into the frame. Move the handlebar downwards and tighten the adjustment handle into the hole shown here. Make sure the adjustment handle is firmly engaged in the adjustment hole. Then, pull out the adjustment handle outward and turn it so that it is pointing downwards. Then, pull the lower end of the wire tie until the handlebar wire is routed through the frame and discard the wire tie. Next, insert the handlebar wire through the zip tie on the frame shown here. Connect the handlebar wire to the frame wire. These connectors should slide together easily with an audible click. If they do not, try turning one of the connectors and try again. Once the wires are connected, tighten the zip tie wire around the handlebar wire. Press the motor cover onto the frame and attach it with an M4 by 20mm screw, being careful not to pinch any wires. With the help of a second person, hold the console mount near the handlebar and connect the mount wire in the console mount to the handlebar wire. To avoid pinching any wires, gently pull on the wire tie at the top of the console mount as you slide the console mount onto the handlebar. At this point, you can attach the console mount in 2 different locations on the 3 holes in the handlebar, to either use it in its standard position or extended position. To mount it in its standard position, use the 2 holes closest to the frame, and the 2 holes farthest from the frame for the extended position. Then, while a second person holds the console, press the wire protector around the console wires and connect the wires as shown here. When inserting the wires back into the console mount, insert the connectors one at a time to avoid any of the wires getting caught on the opening. Next, attach the console to the console bracket with 4 M4 by 12mm machine screws. Lastly, set the hand weights into the weight rests and be sure that all parts are properly tightened before you power on and use your machine.